Can funds in a special needs trust be used for housing and food? And if not, can some of those monies be transferred to an ABLE account? I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, helping families with their estate planning and probate matters. If you have any questions for us, drop them, and we were going to do our best to get back to you. It's important to us to educate as many people for free, and to that end, we hope that you share this information in hopes that maybe someday it'll save a family having prepared themselves before a what-if scenario creeps into their lives. Thank you. So, a supplemental needs trust is not supposed to be used for anything that the government is assisting the beneficiary with. So, oftentimes, those include the core items, essential items of living, including housing and food. And so the supplemental needs trust should not be used necessarily for those extra means. Although, keep in mind that if a disabled person lives in a home that is owned by that trust and there are expenses of the home, that they may be utilized for that purpose to cover that expense of an asset owned by the trust. Now, when it comes to utilizing a supplemental needs trust in tandem with an ABLE account, I'm fairly certain you may want to check on a state-by-state basis if there's any variation. But I believe locally here, you can transfer up to the threshold in that given year of the deposit into an ABLE account from the supplemental needs trust. Keeping in mind, you do not want to overfund an ABLE account because anything remaining in that account at the beneficiary's passing will be paid back to the government for the services they provided to that individual. So you want to be sure that that is kept to a minimum and used on a monthly basis if possible. Hope that information is helpful. Please share so others can learn along with us. Thanks, guys.